I was getting tired of waiting tables and getting paid the minimum.
I recently immigrated to America. We decided to change careers because we wanted something that's gonna allow us to have family time.
And my biggest motivation were my grandparents. I wanted to help them out so my grandpa would not work anymore.
I want to be the person that would be able to help if somebody's hurt.
I feel like Pima gives students great support. They help you financially.
The people here work hard to make sure that our goals and dreams are realized.
We get to do injections on each other, blood draws,
Anatomy and physiology.
just hands-on, and it's very fun.
Whatever I learn from Pima, I can take it to anything. You know, I can take it in every department in the hospital.
You are doing what you're going to be doing outside school.
It's hands-on experience at its best. My confidence level is up there.